Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by backing up. Create a full image and copy critical files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, verify the Ghost Spectre build and exact Windows 10 version so you download compatible updates. Next, obtain the official cumulative update package plus any Spectre-tailored patches. Make sure checksums match. You'll also gather current drivers and note hardware ID. This prevents mismatches and lets you return quickly if an update fails. You install updates methodically. Prefer offline MSU installers or the media creation tool to avoid broken update chains. Once an update installs, reboot and watch Device Manager for driver conflicts. Update chipset, storage, and network drivers in that order because they affect stability. If background services block installers, restart into safe mode or perform a clean boot and rerun the updates. Make sure to check Windows Update history and error code. You finalize by confirming Windows is activated and stable. Run a few reboots and use the Windows Update history to confirm success. If functionality regressed, restore specific drivers or components from your backup image rather than reinstalling the entire OS. For common corruption issues, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. If errors persist, use the update rollback or restore point. If a severe conflict remains, document error codes and revert to your image before repeating targeted steps to avoid repeated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.